In this video, I'm going to walk through Excel's Flash Fill feature, which enables Excel to fill in parts of your data for you based on patterns it detects. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. Let's say you have student information in a worksheet where the student last name, first name, and ID number is in one column. If you want the first name and last name in column B with no ID number, you could use the concatenate function. However, it is faster to use Excel's Flash Fill feature. Start by typing in the first and last names in the first cell in the desired column. Press Enter when you see those names appear and your column is populated. If you have a lot of data in your worksheet, sometimes it takes Excel a couple of entries to recognize the pattern. Now let's do the same thing using a keyboard shortcut. Start by typing in the first ID number in the related column. Move your pointer to the cell below where you typed the first ID number. Then hold down the Control key and press E. This is the keyboard shortcut for the Flash Fill feature. The rest of the ID numbers fill in. Once again, if you have a large amount of data, you may need to type in a few more numbers to help Excel recognize the pattern. That's it. That's 2 ways to use Flash Fill. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz as part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See Accounting is Analytics for additional faculty and student resources.